Claude has been quietly rolling out features over the past few months, and some of these features are so hidden that you don't even know they exist. Yet, they're incredibly powerful. I've been using Claude for a while now, and genuinely, these 8 features change the way I work. I'm pretty sure some of these you've never even heard of. Here they are. Most people switching from ChatGPT to Claude start completely from scratch. All that history, all that context Claude would have used to understand you better, gone. Memory import fixes that. It lets you pull your conversation history directly from another AI and drop it into Claude. So instead of spending weeks re-explaining your preferences, your projects, your way of thinking, Claude gets it right away. So open your Claude and go to your settings. In settings, go to capabilities, and from there, you will see a section called import memory. Click on the start button. You will get a prompt to extract all the information from your AI. Just copy and paste it into your AI. In my case, I'm using ChatGPT. I will paste it here. As you can see, it's giving me my memory. I will copy that, paste it into this section, and then click on the add to memory button. That's it. Now your Claude knows everything about you. Let's see whether it knows me or not. I gave it a prompt to check, and as you can see, it's generating an answer about things it didn't know before. Extended thinking mode. It gives Claude extra processing time to reason through a problem, step by step, before it responds. Not faster, deeper. Here's a real example. Take a dense PDF, in this case, an agentic research paper. Run it through Claude normally, and you get a decent summary. Now, switch to extended thinking mode, and Claude starts pulling out layered insights, cross-referencing sections, flagging what actually matters. The difference is immediate. It's not about speed, it's about the quality of reasoning underneath the answer. To enable it, you simply go to the model selection section, and at the bottom you will see an option for extended thinking. Just turn on the toggle. That's it. Now let's give it a task. I will paste a PDF of an AI report and ask it to generate some insights. Just send this. After 2 minutes of thinking, you will see detailed insights come out of this. That's what you can do with thinking mode. Pro tip: enable thinking mode only when you need it, or it will overthink on quick prompts as well. Every time you write with Claude, it comes out the same. Same tone, same structure, same generic AI feel. You can feel it when you read it. It just doesn't sound like you. Custom styles fixes that. You give Claude your writing style, and Claude writes exactly like that. For example, if you want to write like Shakespeare, just drop any Shakespeare book into Claude. It reads the writing style, the patterns, the rhythm, and then Claude builds a custom style profile from it. From that point on, if you select that style, Claude automatically writes like Shakespeare. Here's how to set it up. To access it, click on the plus icon, then go to Use Style, then Create and Edit Styles. You will see lots of different presets available. To create your own, click the Create Custom Style button at the bottom. You will get 2 options: add an existing file, or describe your own style in a prompt. I have a bunch of transcripts from a creator. I will upload those, and it automatically identifies the writing voice. Now it's analyzing the writing. You can edit it here if you don't like the preview. I won't make any changes. And that's it. You've created your style. Now to access it, click on the plus icon again, then select Use Style from. There you will see the name of your style. Just select it. Now let's test this. One output with the style, one without. Just send this and wait for the output. And as you can see, the difference between these 2 outputs. This one was written by Claude without any style. You can feel the generic tone straight away. But look at mine. It sounds exactly like me. If you look closely, it's using the exact words and phrases I gave it in the document. Pro tip: you can use this style in Claude Cowork, and if you want to improve it over time, you can do that too. Lots of people open a new chat for long work. Once the context fills up, they start fresh, and every instruction, every file, every bit of context they built up has all gone. That's the problem projects solve. Get a dedicated workspace for one specific area of work. Upload your files once, set your instructions once, and every conversation inside that project opens with all of it already loaded. It's like having a separate Claude trained specifically for one task. To create a project, go to the left side and click on Projects. Now just click on New Project. Give the project a name, then describe what you want to achieve with this goal. Then click the Create button. You'll see this interface. You've now created your own separate environment. From here, you can manage your instructions, memory, and chats. To set the instructions, click the tiny plus icon. From here, you can set all the rules for this project. To add more context, you can upload a file. I have this script writing style context. We'll paste it here, and the project will have the context of what we are actually trying to do. And the best part, you can use the style you just created right inside the project. Now let's test this out. I will ask what my niche is, and it will go through that documentation, extract the information, and give me the answer. That's how you set up Claude. Pro tip, you can access the project in the chat and ask any question related to the project in the chat as well. Alright, fifth feature, plugins. Plugins are basically small apps inside Claude Cowork, each one designed to do a specific task. For example, this marketing plugin right here. Inside every plugin, you get two things, skills and connectors. Skills are built-in task instructions. Connectors are links to your external tools. So with this marketing plugin, I can generate content, write campaigns, create email sequences, all using the skills inside it. And if I want to work with my actual tools like Canva or Figma, the connectors handle that. Claude gets direct access to those apps and can automatically do things inside them for you. Let me show you. I have this marketing plugin connected with Canva. I'll give it a prompt, generate a campaign brief and design me a graphic. Hit send. And using the skills and connectors together, it generated the design and the full campaign brief. That's the power of plugins. But most people don't even know they exist. And the best part, you can create your own. You'll see a plus icon in the navigation bar. Click it and you get three options. Paste a repo link and Claude converts it into a plugin. If you already have a plugin file, paste it directly. And if you have no idea how to build one, just choose the option to make it with Claude. To access plugins, head over to Customize in the left sidebar. Plugins aren't available in the standard chat interface. To access the plugins, you have to go to Cowork. Now click Add Plugins, then Browse Plugins. You will see a list of plugins. Choose whichever one you want to install. Just click the plug icon. That's it. And if you want to customize the plugin, simply click on this button and customize it. So that's plugins. Loads of options to play with, but there is one limitation. You can only access this on desktop. And sometimes things come up while you're traveling. So how do you handle that? That's exactly why the next feature is Claude Dispatch. So Claude Dispatch lets you handle every Claude task directly from your phone. For example, same marketing campaign, I'm not near my computer. I open Dispatch on my phone, give the prompt, and Claude Cowork handles the rest. It generates the same result right there on your phone. Basically, you control your Claude AI directly from your phone. Dispatch works with Claude Cowork and Claude Code both. The Dispatch feature is only available on Cowork, so click on Cowork then. Click Dispatch, then click Get Started. It will open a scanner, and now you will need your phone. Open the camera on your phone and scan this QR code, then select the link. If you don't have the Claude mobile app, it will redirect you to the download page. If you do have it installed, go to the dispatch option from there. It will give you a space where you can chat with your Claude. At the top, you will see the connection is idle. Let me try by sending hello, and as you can see on the desktop version, the request is being processed. From here, you can do whatever you want in Claude using your phone. So let's talk about artifacts. Artifacts is one of the most powerful and unique features of Claude AI. In simple terms, it turns your normal chat with Claude into a creative workspace where Claude builds live things for you. For example, to access artifacts, click on the Artifacts option on the left. It will open the Artifacts panel. Then click Create New Artifact. You will see lots of different presets available. If you want to build from a preset, you can do that, but I will click on Build from Scratch. Hold for a few seconds for it to set things up, then give your prompt. That's IT. It will start building for you. Once it's built, you can play with it or share it with your friends. I built this game using a single prompt. From here, I can handle everything: navigation, errors, whatever comes up. But the part I like most, you can publish it and send the link to your friends or colleagues to review. No hosting required. They just open the link and it works. And if they want to customize it themselves, they can click this button. Claude opens in their dashboard and they can make any changes they want. If you want to play more with this, go check out the Inspirational Artifacts section. Most of us use this chat interface of Claude, but instead of typing, you can use your voice to give your prompt to Claude. Not only that, you can have a direct two-way conversation with Claude AI. Many people don't even know this feature exists, even though the option is right there in front of them. One thing to keep in mind, on Claude Desktop, only the listening feature is available. To access the full two-way conversation, you need the Claude web version. The first one is the desktop version, which is a one-way conversation. Let me click on the mic button and say, "Hello, what's up?" As you can see, it's giving me an answer. If you're done typing, you can use this. Next is the two-way conversation. For that, you have to move to the web version of Claude. You will see voice mode here. I will simply click on it and say, "Hello, Claude."
Hey Rocket, how's it going? What are you working on today?
I'm working on my new video.
Nice. What's the video about? Is it part of the masterclass or something else you're cooking up?
That's how you access voice mode in Claude. So, that's all for today's video. If you want to join our community, the link is in the description. See you in the next one.